Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Unico hotel being built in Montego Bay. Now Unico is a luxury hotel brand in Mexico, and Jamaica is the first, or Montego Bay in Jamaica is the first location outside of Mexico to have a Unico hotel. They don't have any Unico hotels in the Dominican Republic or the Bahamas. Jamaica is the first place. So that speaks volumes about the tourism industry in Jamaica. So this hotel is going to open in 2026 and it is moving, I must say. Very impressed with how fast the construction is going, or impressed with the speed at which the construction is progressing. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Unico hotel. The development of Unico in Montego Bay marks a significant milestone in Jamaica's tourism evolution, ushering in a new era of high-end, culturally immersive, and socially conscious hospitality. As the first Unico-branded resort to be established outside of Mexico, this luxury all-inclusive adults-only hotel combines architectural sophistication with deep respect for Jamaican culture and a strong commitment to community development. Scheduled to open in 2026, Unico is poised to redefine luxury travel on the island. Unico is renowned for blending modern luxury with local authenticity. The Montego Bay property will feature 451 oceanfront guest rooms with signature elements such as a hydro spa tubs and balconies, swim-up suites, and the introduction of double king beds, a first for Jamaica's hotel industry. However, what sets Unico apart from many of its competitors is its culturally rooted philosophy. Instead of a generic resort experience, guests will be immersed in Jamaican heritage through locally inspired cuisine, curated cultural programs, and the local host service, which offers personalized guidance for off-property exploration, events, and dining. From an architectural and service standpoint, Unico aims for excellence. The resort will reflect contemporary tropical design with a strong emphasis on natural materials, open spaces, and seamless indoor-outdoor integration. Crucially, the project is being implemented with strong regard for its social impact. Unico's development includes partnerships with the Jamaican government to construct more than 1,000 housing units for hotel workers, addressing long-standing issues around staff accommodation in tourism zones. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has commended the developers for their investment in community development, including contributions to public infrastructure such as a stadium in Lilliput and enhanced road access. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.